Okay, with the summer months being here, and if you're a fan of wireless charging, whether you're an Android or iPhone user, this is something everyone can benefit from. This isn't a paid review. We bought this with our own money, and I think it's going to be a hit this summer. This is the Torras PolarCircle wireless charger that has a semiconductor cooling system. As you can see, it is Qi 2 compatible with fast wireless charging, and it does give you the ability to have a adjustable rotating bracket for 360 or 120 degrees. It is meant to actually keep your phone cool, especially if you're used to seeing those overheating notifications on your phone that the phone isn't charging and needs to cool down first. This hopefully will help eliminate it. I just want to show you a quick unboxing today. I'm going to go ahead and throw those affiliate links up down below so you can pick this up. It's actually on sale right now for less than 50 bucks. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at this charger. I have been having a ton of issues. If you follow the channel, you probably know, and if you're running iOS 26 beta, just how terrible heating is on it when charging, whether you're wired or wireless. This puck right here is meant to alleviate some of the pain. So not only does it come with this little charging fan and all that, but it does come with a 5-foot USB-C to USB-C cable as well. Looks like you're going to get a little warranty card, throw that to the side, and a user manual. Let's get all that out of the way and get to the star of the show right here, and that's this baby. And as you can see, obviously it has some thickness to it, but it is meant to really rapidly cool your device quickly in a pinch. 15-watt cooling magnetic pad on here. Again, it works for Galaxy phones, iPhones, and all of that. This is actually meant to cool your phone rapidly to 68 degrees Fahrenheit in a sweet few minutes only. Unlike, again, what we've seen historically. No more lag, no more heating delays or snail charging. So I really think this is going to be a hit. Again, you can see on the back, it is Qi 2 capable. Let's set that down. And again, here is that included 5-foot USB-C to USB-C cable. I'm going to go ahead and actually plug this in so you can see exactly how it works and hear how loud this gets. Before I actually put the cable in, you can see that little finger hole here and exactly how you can pivot this around as needed if you do want to pop your phone up as well. So you can see it has a little LED indicator here. Here is the actual plug. And here it is. So let's go ahead, snap it right on. You can see right off the bat that we are actually having a yellow light, a white light, and we are charging. And I'm going to hold this up to the mic really quick. I don't even know if you can hear it. It is actually a lot quieter than I was worried about. So again, here you go. While you're charging, you can pop it up on the side if you'd like, or in any different orientation that you wish. So you can use it while it is charging at a faster rate and giving you that ability to hopefully keep your phone a lot cooler while it charges. You can see the magnets are very good and strong on here. And yeah, I gotta say, I'm actually a fan of this. I like the way it looks. It's very clean. Again, probably not something you want to travel around with necessarily, but to keep in your home office or office space or just a nightstand charger, this could be it. Again, you can definitely hear the fans slightly, but it is not as loud and as annoying as I was worried about. So, now having said this, let me click on this really quick and unlock the phone. And I want to test something out. Again, I'm running the beta for iOS 26 Beta 2, and you should be able to see your charging rate as you just saw. Unfortunately, it disappears quickly, but you can see that it did not say slow charging, which means we're actually pulling in 15 watts max of charging speed. So yeah, there you go. Let me know what you guys think. As it's running, I did hear it kick up a little bit. Let me put it back by the mic. Again, not sure if you can really hear it. Not terrible by any means, but definitely does have a little noise, so just keep that in mind if you pick it up. To be expected, it is a fan running, but the cool air I feel on the back definitely should keep this much more easily maintained to keep charging at a reasonable rate of charge. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Again, I'll throw that affiliate link up down below. If you pick one up, let me know what you think of this. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.